Okay, this video is going to show you how to do a Google Hangout with yourself to record a video if you're interested in sharing anything about your project that way. I'm going to go to Google Hangouts on Air, and I want to go to this Hangouts on Air. Oops, that's the help. There we go. Okay, so let me just, what I'm trying to do is show you the address. There we go. plus.google.com hangouts/on-air, and you go create a Hangout on Air. Notice you'll have to be signed into your Google account here to do this. And call, name of your project. I'm going to call this one test or demo Google Hangout on Air. And you can either make it public or you could invite someone specific instead if you want. You want it to go now, and you're going to click share. Interesting. Okay. So I haven't verified this yet. Okay, so this is something you might run into as you're setting up your Google Hangout on Air. There we go. And you want to verify it. Okay. Let's try that now. Okay, so this is my event page for Google Hangout on Air. I'm just going to go click start. I've got my script or whatever it is ready that I'm going to say. I know what I'm going to do. I have any files open on my computer if I want to share my screen at all. Okay, so I have to hit allow. And here we go. I'm going to hit skip. And sign my life away. Okay, so now I'm on my Google Hangout on Air, and I've got a bunch of little pop-up things right now. I'm not worried about those right now. Okay. And you can see down here, it's just getting started down at this wheel right here. So I'm not recording yet. It's not saved. Well, it's not saving to YouTube yet. And I got nobody watching because I didn't share the link out really. I'm not sending it to anyone. Okay, so now that I've got my start broadcast here, I'm going to start. It's going to go live and it will start recording now. Let's see up here. And okay, so now it's recording. So now I will introduce myself and my project. I can talk about whatever it is I want to talk about. And I'm just going to show you a couple other little things at the top of the screen here. When I hover over here, I have this. So if I need to mute my mic, now it's muted. I can change my camera if I need to change any of my settings. So if it wasn't picking up my camera properly, I can go here. If I needed to pick up a different mic, and I'm just going to hit save. I know it's hearing my voice because the little green dots at the bottom. Okay, so now I've talked about it. If I wanted to share my screen at all, then over on the left-hand side here, oops, let's try it again. I've got this screen share, and if I click that, it will minimize this window and it will let me share the web page or whatever I have, or a PowerPoint or anything I have open on my computer will be recorded on the screen here. So you can play with that if you want to. But I'm going to stop the broadcast because I'm not actually talking about any fun projects. And here we go. So now it's stopped. Now I can close this window here. And you'll notice I'm back on my event page. So this is the page that it created right when I created my first thing. And you'll notice that if I did actually start playing this here, it's going to play that video recorded 55 seconds. Now I will introduce myself. There we go. So that would play there. And what I really want to do is I'm going to open this up on YouTube. So I'm going to click the little YouTube link there. I'm going to pause it so I'm not hearing myself again. I'm going to go to share and get the copy of this link. Copy that. And that's what you're sharing in your Classroom Catalyst if that's the video you want. So that's how you use Google Hangouts on Air to capture a video of yourself explaining your project or giving an overview. I hope that helps.